Morning everyone. Haven't done Vlogmas in ages, but I thought I'd film a little day today. And yesterday I exfoliated and I think I used too much exfoliator, so I'm gonna just put some skincare, and the skincare I'm gonna use is my Clinique Moisture Surge. Where is my camera? Where's my lens? Here it is. Clinique Moisture Surge for today. And I'm also going to use the Formula Neck and Jaw Super Peptides, this one. This is just nourishing and fresh and cold, and that's why I'm going to use it. And then on my eyes, I'm going to use the Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum, which is here. And what else? My eye cream, which is all about eyes. I'm trying to find it, that's why you have this really weird angle. All about eyes, Clinique. So this is what I'm going to use because I don't want to aggravate my skin anymore. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so let's start with the Formula one, which is really nice and cooling. And I just put a bit on my neck and on my under my jaw, actually, here. And it's just nice and fresh, and you know, especially during the summer, this has a really nice cooling effect. And I don't know how much it tightens, but it also smells nice. I got this from M&S and it was on sale or something, so it wasn't that expensive. And now with my favorite Moisture Surge, it's 72 hours auto replenishing hydrator. I have dry patches here. I don't know if you can see them, but when I put this on, oh, it feels so nice. And because my exfoliating went really bad, I just think this is, if you want to know about my skin, it's sensitive. I have rosacea. I'm 43. Yeah. So yeah, what else? I don't know what else you say about skin. And now it's still a bit like, my skin still feels a bit stingy, so that's why I'm not going to put anything else. I'm just going to put a little bit of the eye serum, which is like this. It's number 7. I like number 7. I'm going to show you my advent calendar later on today because I bought a number 7 advent calendar, and so far I'm really happy. Not happy with the packaging though, but I'll address that later. I'll tell you later. And then my All About Eyes. I hate these little caps. Anyway, I'm going to chuck that. All About the Eyes. And then just a bit here. Very softly, you're not supposed to. And then I'm just going to use my finger just to pat everything in. And I want to put a little bit here because I have issues here with my little lines. And that's my creams for today. I'm just going to pat everything in and have my breakfast. I'm also going to use, because my rosacea is a bit intense at the moment, I'm also going to wash my hands, and then I'm going to use something my friend told me to buy. Actually, she gave it to me. She told me to buy it though as well, which I am going to do, but she gave me a big tube, whatever this is. It's for rosacea. It's zero base emollient cream. It stinks, it's terrible, it smells horrible, but if you have rosacea, this is not rosacea, if you have eczema, this is really good for your eczema. So I just put it on my places that need like moisturizing, and then it's really good. And then I just put too much, so I'm just going to wipe a little bit off, and the next part of this video is going to be my get ready with me. Is my lunch spaghetti with mushroom spaghetti with cheese and a mushroom portobello, stuffed mushroom. Mum made this. That's probably why I haven't filmed any videos, because my parents are here and we're just hanging out and all that. And I'm also going to take an apple, which according to my mum, is very firm and she doesn't like them, so I'm going to like it. And that's all I'm taking to work. That's how I save money, guys. Never spend money at work. No coffees, no food. Everything I bring with me. Yeah. So on my lips I have Max Factor Rich Raspberry, Wild Card Rimmel blusher. I've just put some what's that called? The Maybelline Age Rewind concealer on my redness. I don't have foundation. I put some Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and on my eyes I have the Clinique Amber Chubby Stick, Lush Paradise mascara, which hasn't done a very good job today because it's drying up. And then I'm wearing earrings. I don't know where I got them from. Polka dot from M&S 16, and my John Lewis trousers. So I'll catch you later. Okay, so I'm back home and knackered. I opened my advent calendar, but I forgot to show you what was in it, and I had 3 days. I have the number 7 advent calendar, and what was in day, what was it, 13 is, no, 16, 15, 14. Yeah, and I had a count. So it was the Radiant Results Revitalizing Cleansing Wipes, so this. And then I also had the number 7 Protect and Perfect Advanced Eye Cream, a little sample. An eyeshadow brush, which is a small one, really nice bristles. Look, it's really nice. So that was good. And I went to Zara today, and they have loads of perfumes, and I got the, what's this one? It's called White Eau de Toilette, £10, and it smells really, really nice. Really liked it, so I just got this, you know, just to spray on whenever I want to. What else can I show you? Oh, I can do my little Glossybox unboxing for you, so you can see what was in the December kit, which was all like glittery stuff. If you don't know what the Glossybox is, it's a subscription box in the UK, and you get like 5 products. It's about £13, and it's got some nice things. I'm going to show you the December box. This is the December box. Sorry about the... Hang on, let me just change side because the lighting is crap. Here we go, a bit better. So this is the Glossybox box. It's really nice and sturdy, and you can use them for, you know, storage. I really like them. And it comes in with these random things that I never use. And then this is the price of every product. Tissue paper. I've already seen it, so it's not like an unboxing. So it has these eyelashes, which are golden Caspy eyelashes. I think they're about 10 quid. They're going to go in a giveaway that comes up later on, because I don't use eyelashes, because I have my own. I don't use false eyelashes. Then this liquid eyeshadow, let me just show you. Really nice colour. Hang on, let me pause. This is the liquid eyeshadow. Really nice colour. This is also going to go in a giveaway. It's the Steve Laurent loose powder, but it's like a metallic pigment, and I don't use pigments that are like this. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to put it in a giveaway. And also this lipstick, which is a liquid lip. Sorry about that. And let me just show you what the colour is. This is the colour of the lippy. Really nice shiny one. So yeah, looking forward to using it. Let me show you the brand. It's called Love the Fateful. L-O-V the Fateful. I'll tell you how much it cost. $7.99. What else? Oh yeah, it also had this, but I gave it to my partner because he likes using it. You know, the body lotion. And then the eye candy thing was £20, and Steve Laurent pigment $14.60, and the eyelashes $9.75. So yeah, and that's my blanket. So that was my Glossybox unboxing. I've got 2 giveaways that I've got to do the
you know, I've got to choose the winner, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to sign off because it's not a really busy day. Like, I'm marking and stuff from home, which is great. Oh, and I did get the job. Remember, I had an interview and yeah, I got it. So that's good news. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.